So the most recent research with regard to math, and of course we have tremendous variability in our teachers' capabilities and why they go into the profession, but Erin Baylock has done some fascinating work with first grade teachers. Now, first of all, elementary majors do have the highest rate of math anxiety of any major on any college campus, okay? So they fear it. They've been bred to fear it, right? They've been taught to fear it. Not all of them, but there's the highest rate of it, okay? First grade girls come in believing they are absolutely equally capable of math, no problem, for the most part, unless they had a mom at home who's saying, we don't do math. Right? But when they get a female teacher, role model, gender-appropriate role model, that has math anxiety and obviously shows that in class, by the end of first grade, we have girls who've developed math anxiety. First grade. And that's just numeracy, right? For the most part, we're talking numeracy, and they're already afraid of numbers. Right. Okay, so this is a huge issue.
Right, right. And in the cognitive psych field, we have one that, I mean, it's a classic study of telling a girl right before, y'all probably have heard this, you tell a girl right before she goes into a math test that, you know, it's okay, girls aren't really good at math. And they're all high-performing math people. Those were the subjects that were participants used in this study. The women perform way worse. We're under that stereotype thread, and that is a real thing. That's a real thing. So, yeah, these are all great examples, and it's not just, you know, it's not just teachers, it's not just parents. We're going to get into some of the media. But by the end of elementary school, somewhere along the line, teachers start meaning less, and so do primary caregivers for this while. Their influence on the way that children think is far more influenced by the peers. So there's this time, and then, I mean, who knows what messages they're going to receive, but like there is this time up until like the end of elementary school where it's so essential that those messages are made clear to them so that they have a trajectory they don't have to correct over many years about who they are at their core.